Hi everyone, so today is the second day of my fixing my shadow ban. Yesterday, or it's actually 2 days ago, so this is day 2 after fixing it. 2 days ago I took a channel that I had a strong suspicion, this one is shadow banned, and I'm just going to move here so you better can see it. Now, it's not like this channel has never gotten any views. As you can see, it has 128 views, actually more. Now that there is, I posted a short, and I'll get back to that. But all my long form content is dead and buried under the algorithm, and I don't know why. The reason why I can't just say that it's bad content and so on. I'm just going to say that, as I said in the last video, I have other channels. I have this channel and I have several other channels that I've monetized before, and I've never seen anything happen like this thing. So I'm getting a strong belief that something like a shadow ban is actually happening here. And even though that many of these so-called educators say that it's just not possible to get shadow banned. Now, see that what's wrong here is that in impressions on this, I'm looking for a traffic source and impression traffic source, because in order to get views, you need to get impressions to get your like thumbnail and title tag shown in YouTube. And if you never get shown, you have no chance of getting any clicks and no chance of getting any click-through rate. And what I'm looking for here is the browse. And this one is especially the browse, and I don't know what happened, but it started off good, and then these browse were just myself, and ever since I've stopped like getting recommended my own videos, I don't get anything from the browse. And then I have this suggested that peaked here. Now I'm just going to talk about this peak, and I'm just going to talk about this peak, because there is something that I noticed, as I wrote down here, as something that I noticed that I've done differently in those videos that might have gotten them published, and I think that maybe have stopped all my other content. See, I've posted, there's 16 live, but I had scheduled 21, so I removed all of those who were scheduled, and I deleted them from my account, actually. The two videos that got pushed a bit, it was this, or you can't really see it. I need to see where my screen stops here. So it's this one that got 18 views, and this one actually also, and this one that got 15 views. I know it's not a lot of views, but it's more than none. I'm guessing that all of the others are bot views. Now, see the difference that I did. All of the others were scheduled out ahead, so I had like a month ahead scheduled content that to be uploaded on a certain date, and I'm getting a strong suspicion that has been a bad thing to do, because I posted these 3 videos, and I had this one I posted on the day I uploaded it, and then it went live on the day I uploaded it. And the same thing with this one, and the same thing with this one, because I thought it was so good ideas that I just wanted them to get live immediately. And those are the only one that have gotten any impressions in the algorithm here, and that's insane. So from now on a new channel, I'm not going to do the scheduling thing, because I wanted to, as I said before, I have other channels. I have 4 channels or something that's monetized, something that's not monetized anymore, but I've monetized 4 channels. And I wanted to get a head start on this new channel here by producing a lot of content and then scheduling out to go 2 times a week. But I feel like this might have been a dumb idea. So here's what I do to try and fix it. I haven't given up on this channel here, but what I did is I posted a short to see how the feed or how the YouTube algorithm would react to it. So I posted a short, and I deleted all my scheduled, and now I'm just going to let the channel sit and breathe and see what happens. The short now, the short form got, I don't know exactly, 2 new subscribers, and I don't know if all of these other subscribers are real, but I've gotten some comments as well. So it seems like the short form is still pushing out. And then there is this channel that you are watching right now, because the other fix that I did is that, I tried to just make the same channel once more with a brand new Gmail account and a fresh, in a fresh way to see how it's going. And I posted the short. The short on the brand new channel has gotten just as many views as the one on the channel that was 20 days old. It was this one. It's just 500 on this one and 500 this one. Now, I did make slightly changes and a different soundtrack and so on to make sure that they were not exactly the same short, but they were the same short. Other than that, I posted this video, the first video on my channel, and that first video, I don't know if you can see this, maybe I'll zoom a bit. The first video here got 28 views and 6 comments and 3 likes. And what's even more impressive than that is that I didn't edit anything. I just talked to the camera like I'm doing now. And this channel is not even verified. So I don't even have a custom thumbnail on the video, because I can't do that yet. I just wanted to try a fresh channel doing this, but it seems like this channel that I'm posting with this video on right now, and this channel here is alive. And it seems like this channel is going to be my current channel, because this one has gotten 29 views. And what's more important, it has 149 impressions. And these impressions are from browse and search. And that's what I wanted to get them from, because the suggested videos that I got from the other channel, on the one that I call Dead, is that all of these suggested views, suggested impressions. Now I'm on a video, I don't want to do that. Sometimes it does that. Going into impressions, and if you're going to impressions and traffic source and see all of those from the suggested, all of the videos that suggesting them it has nothing to do with my channel, and it's a clear sign to me that YouTube don't know what to do with my channel. So now I made the same channel over again, the channel we're watching right now, and I will keep updating you guys. And if it takes off, then I'm going to take all of the content I had in mind to produce for you guys and upload it to this content, to this channel instead. I have a video on how I monetize my gaming channel and how I'm growing it with shorts and other things that I'm doing like behind the scenes. So if you want to see that, consider subscribing to this one. And if you're seeing this and you're not a bot, leave a comment. It could just be like an emoji. Just I wanted to see if the views are bot views or if it's true views. Thank you so much for hearing me yap. I hope to see you in the comments. Bye.